Hello everyone, this is Wanda. I am currently a custom-made product designer. In today's video, we will be discussing an important topic that you need to keep in mind while building custom-made template, which is understanding what characteristics of the layers will be inherited from stage 1 to stage 2, and how to reset stage 2. So first thing you need to know is that your template will not be automatically saved. You need to manually save your template. So here, this is a template, and it contains one layer, which is called body. This body layer is linking to a male body library, as you can see. So to prove that you need to manually save your template, I will just go to other page. By clicking, for example, I want to go to start. By clicking this button, there will be a notification saying you're about to exit the template. This means all changes will be lost. Do you want to continue? And if you do really just exit the template, everything will be disappeared. Same as if your computer, your internet is not stable, or like your computer crashed, or like you just suddenly accidentally close the window. The things you put in the template will not be saved. So I suggest that every designer always save your template manually. Then how do you save your template? I will show you. As we mentioned before in previous video, the template have 3 stages, 3 steps. Like this is the step 1. And if you want to completely save your template, you need to go through all stages. So this is at the first step, and you go to done, you go to next, and then you set a background color. Then that make you go to the step 2. And then also you need to still do the same thing, like click the next, and then until you go to the step 3, there is a save button. So that means every time you need to go through all 3 stages to save your template. I know that's pretty long, but you have to do that. Then imagine you are right now designing a template with a large amount of layers, and then after half an hour, you think that's a good time to save the template, and then you save it with not finished the template, like you just delete the part of the layers needed, and you have not changed the layer orders, also the layer names. And then you save the template, and then if you must have noticed the problem that the layer order remains the same in the stage 2, even if you later change the order in the stage 1. That can lead to confusion and make your template building process more time consuming. To fix this problem, you need to reset the template stage 2 every time before you manually save the template. But before we talk about how to reset the stage 2, I want to first introduce what characteristics of the layers will be inherited from stage 1 and stage 2, and what will not. This is a template I just built. It has 3 layers, the body, pants, and clothes. Then this template is already saved, so if you go to the next stage, it's also body, pants, and clothes with the image and the library linked with it. Let's come back to previous step, the step 1. That's the first test if the name could be inherited to stage 2. So if I change the body to male body, and we're done, and we go next, the name will also change in the step 2. It's also male body. What about the ID? So this male body's ID is 1. If I change it to 3, then the clothes we change it to 1. Will it also inherit to stage 2? As you can see, it's 3 and 1, so that means ID also inherited from stage 1 to stage 2. Let's come back. How about positions? The male body, I put it here. If I just move it to the right top corner, will the stage 2 also inherit the position? let's go to the second stage. As you can see, the stage actually didn't change. So that means the position will not inherited. Let's come back. After we have tested the name, ID, and position, the last thing I want to test is the order. So the male body is, let's put it back. The male body right now is in the top layer, and then the pants is above it. The clothes is above pants. What we want the layer is actually the pants should be above the body and the clothes should be above pants. So we change it. Let's make the pants above body and the clothes above pants. That's what we want. And if we go to the next stage, the order didn't change. So summarize what we have tested and get here. The name and the ID. If you change the name and ID in stage 1, and for a saved template, you will inherit it to stage 2. But if you change the position and order in stage 1, if that's a saved template, you will not inherit it to stage 2. So as I mentioned before, the solution is to reset the template in stage 2. How to do the reset? We are right now at stage 2. To do the reset, there is a reset preview button in the stage 2. So you click it and you do yes. And then the stage 2 is being reset. You could just choose your background color. For example, I want the yellow. And you go to this stage 2 template and check the order. The order is already changed. Clothes is in the top layer, pants is in the middle layer, and then the body is in the last layer. And also, what else is changed? The position will also be changed. So basically, everything you have done and changed in stage 1 will inherit to stage 2 if you reset the stage 2. This is everything today. Thank you for watching. And do send me a comment below this video if you have any questions.